it was -2 degrees outside, and I was like, why am I doing this? And then I remembered that tomorrow I'm going on vacation. And I'm like, yeah, that's why, so that I can afford more vacations. Okay, that's work. It's weird now how the sun is shining, and the way I was freezing when I was going to work. Anyway, I'm not complaining anyway. Just got home. I'm so tired. I have so much to do. I have to pack for the trip tomorrow, and I have to bake some cookies. But before that, because we are coming back on Sunday and classes start on Monday, I have to add my courses into my schedule, and so that when I come back it's not like too much work. And then I have to apply for some jobs. But first, let me grab breakfast and then rest for about 2 hours, then I can start. Oh, I also need to pack. Did I say I need to pack? I forgot. Vlog. Hongea ka vlog.
Hi guys. Welcome to my channel.
Outside of your 9-to-5 job. Now, this is a topic that's really close to my heart because I started this YouTube channel and my business, and basically every good thing in my life has happened as a result of me being able to manage my time.
I'm currently seated on the table waiting for DHL because they don't usually ring the bell, and if you just delay a little bit they'll be like gone. So I have to wait for them at the window because her friend's package is coming and she needs it for Cologne. And if it delays, then she'll have to pick it next week, and she can't do that. So I'm listening to Ali Abdal because he's like the go-to for everything as I organize my calendar. He like literally has like productivity down to the part, and I feel like since I'm gonna manage so many things, I need some tips and help a little bit. So I'm gonna organize my calendar as I listen to him a bit. So the main point I got from him is that you should treat yourself like a robot. When you have a robot and then it doesn't give you the particular output you want, you don't like mistreat the robot or you beat the robot up. So your body is like a robot. When you put input into it and then it doesn't give you the particular output, don't discriminate yourself or look down on yourself. You instead go reevaluate your inputs. Like let's say you want to have several jobs, you want to have hobbies, then instead of like, why am I so this way, why am I so this way, go back, reevaluate the time you're doing something in particular and find the time that you can be doing it and getting the maximum output instead of looking at yourself, looking down on yourself. It's such a very good podcast. You should go listen to it.
Alright, ladies of the Campbell household, just a reminder, the portion for the holiday poem is due in less than...
Finally, I can see them far away, but still.
Welcome back.
It's finally sunny. The sun. I'm just looking for jobs to apply. Yeah, I got several jobs to apply to. That's Castle in the background, and I'm done for the day. So let's make some cookies and pack for tomorrow. It's currently 5:55, so yeah, I need to do this fast. One of the main reasons I came to Germany was to have more opportunities to travel around Europe, and I can sadly say that since I came to Germany, I have not left the country, but I've been to several towns and cities in Germany, and this is the second time I'm going to Cologne, which is not a bad thing, but it's I really loved it the first time I was there. It's such a cool city, more on, how do you say it, more developed than this current village I'm in right now, and they offer so many opportunities, and I really liked it more than Berlin or Frankfurt that I've been to. So we're going back there again. Also, this year I'm also planning on leaving the country for like 2 or 3 trips to come. I know it's expensive to do and I'm gonna have to work a lot, but I think it will be worth it in the end, because that's like the main thing I want to have in my life more, to be able to make time to travel more, even if it's not something I can afford right now, but it will sort itself out. And it's something that I really wanted to do, and it's why I wanted to come to Europe to begin with. So I have to find a way to make it work one way or the other. Now that we're going back to school, I think I'm gonna have a harder time getting time to bake, especially since I think I'm doing 1 to 6. Currently, I'm already enrolled to 6 courses, but I wanted to do 10. And I'm also working in the mornings, and I get to, I get to make these videos, and I also want to write, but although right now I'm putting writing in the back burner, because I want to focus on my thesis right now. So it's gonna be very hectic and a very busy summer semester, and I'm gonna try to make a lot of video of how I'm balancing life between school and like hobbies, like traveling and baking, because those are like my major hobbies. I really love baking. I don't know, I just fell in love with baking when I was young, and then it's something that I have been developing since. I fell out of love with it for some time, not because of anything about baking, but just because life got too hectic and I got too serious, and I was like, let's focus on things that will make me money or grow my career. But sometimes you just need like things that just make you happy. I think that's why I went back into baking, and it's something that I don't know if I'll live right now. I think the best part about baking is like sharing it with your friends. And then you give them something, and then they're like, wow, this is amazing, and you're like, I did that, I bet that. It's like instant result. Like you can make something and then give it to somebody, and then they instantly tell you whether they like it or not. You don't have to wait. Maybe am I a people pleaser? Are bakers people pleasers? I never thought of it like that. Anyway, yeah, I don't really care about the reason. I love baking, and I'm gonna make a way to figure it out. So next we're gonna work on like a schedule where we put everything together and like develop time for each and everything that we want to do. So stay tuned for that. This has to chill in the fridge for the next 1 hour. So I'm gonna cover it and put it in the fridge for an hour, and then clean up and finish up packing. Then see you in an hour when we put it in the fridge. I don't think I'm supposed to overmix it, so ta-da, it looks so delicious already. Go try that recipe. Best cookie I've ever eaten. Amazing.